Hi, this is Philip Powers with my class project for Human Factors in AI. The assignment that we have been given is to begin with task analysis, user experience design, privacy considerations, and ethical considerations for our model. Task analysis. The model is for facial recognition for a verification system that could be used in companies like banks or pharmacies to verify customers. Um, it's less customer inconvenience to verify the identity, where the process today is to manually ID someone using driver's license or ID card. The way this would work, the customer is onboarded. Um, they are ID'd one final time. They sign permission uh, to do the form electronically. A script is approved by stakeholders and is carefully read to the client. And a review and success screen is provided to the banker at the end of the process. At a higher level, breaking this down a little more, the banker would launch the app, explain the process to the client using the approved language, provide disclosures to the client, capture face and eye image, and provide the customer a paper or electronic copy of the disclosures. Moving to privacy considerations, the handling of the facial image is connected to a customer record which has personally identifiable information, so we have to be careful in the handling. The user can also opt out at any time after onboarding by choosing not to be part of the program. The actual image that is captured will not be stored on a server. Actually, only mathematical representations of their face will be used for that purpose, giving a little more protection as well to the customer. Our main ethical risk, our main consideration is that bias could exist, um, usually group bias. We must use large data sets to train and test all groups that are identified. Tests should be consistent with all the groups and combinations, or bias could exist. So resolutions of those things, we have to look at three factors: fairness, accountability, and transparency. Fairness with testing, monitoring, auditing, and checking with every possible version to be sure that every group has identical error rates. Accountability, if bias does exist, we have options to change our data, change the model that we're using, retrain the model, or the system to remove the bias. And for transparency, um, with stakeholders, users, and clients uh, have limitations of the model to maintain trust. We have to be honest with the customer, with the user, with the stakeholder about what our limitations are and what the model can and cannot do. Thank you.